What's going on, y'all? So, just wanted to make a video today. A lot going on. Sun is shining dead in my face, but right now I'm kind of stuck where I'm at for the moment. Sitting here eating, stuff in my face. You know, the birds like Krispy Kreme. Yep. I bought 3 Krispy Kreme donuts. You know how many of them I have left? 0. Because the birds attacked me and stole my donuts. Where am I right now? I'm at Krispy Kreme. See? I'm at Krispy Kreme. And the staff on the inside finds it incredibly funny. So they're going to bring me some more donuts, which is what I'm waiting for right now. Yep. Just swooped down and just stole. Well, one of them came through the window here and just grabbed the donut and flew off. Like it wasn't nothing. He some sort of superhero bird or something.
92.7, the real sound of the DMV.
Yep. That happened. And then I was trying to eat earlier. I was trying to eat earlier. That didn't work out too well. In fact, it worked out miserably. Oh yeah. Ketchup went everywhere. Somebody jammed on brakes in front of me. They went as far as to go around me to jam on brakes on the highway in front of me, yeah? So I took what was left of the food and I threw it at them. I pulled up next to the motherfucker and I threw it at him. Yep. So the blue truck is a mess right now. Yep. That happened. But I did make it to dialysis today. I did do that. And as I was on my way to dialysis, I won't get into what happened on my way to dialysis. Something happened on my way to dialysis. And I think I'm going to just do a whole video about it. Not to leave y'all hanging or nothing, but yep. Was thinking about doing some traveling this weekend. Not 100% sure, but I'm pretty confident that that's what I'm going to do. Oh man, I left this radio on. Okay, so I do not own the rights to the music that was playing in the background, if y'all could hear that. Interesting day. Interesting things happen. Well, anyway, if you haven't told somebody you love them today, you should tell them you love them. Now the TV wants to come on. I'm going to have to figure this out. I don't know how to work these newfangled things, but I'm allergic to that damn mask because it's making me ashy. Anyway, so yeah. I was sitting here watching TV, minding my own business, and the birds, right out the box, flew in one window, flew out the other. Well, anyway, I will talk to y'all later. If you haven't told somebody you love them today, make sure you tell them you love them. Otherwise, they might end up with a 97 F-250 diesel. Like mine. Bye.